Good morning, all. We have studied the ways of food improvement in crops, and in this set of video, let's learn the improvement in animal husbandry. Animal husbandry. It is a scientific management of livestock that includes feeding, breeding, and disease control. The purpose of cattle farming is for obtaining milk and the animal can be used in the fields. So, based on this, it is divided into milk breeds and broad breeds. In milk breed, we use both indigenous and exotic varieties of cattle. Some of the indigenous broad breeds are there in the screen. The known drought breeds are Kanakraj and Ongol. The buffaloes for breeding are Bos bivalis and Bos indicus. In milk producing breed, we use both indigenous and exotic varieties. Exotic varieties are those which breed and that are not the native of our country, and indigenous are our native species. Some of the indigenous milk variety are Red Sindhi, Sahiwal, which can also be a drought breed. Indigenous varieties possess excellent resistance and the exotic gives good quality of milk. And so, to get the good economic value, both the factors are required and so we go for selective breeding. The technique used for selective breeding is artificial insemination, wherein the semen of exotic breed of bull is collected and induced into the cow of indigenous breed. This technique is a huge success in India. And because of these techniques, we have now with us the exotic breeds like Jersey, Frieswell, Brown Swiss, and Currant Swiss. Now let us study on the maintenance requirement. Food requirement focuses on maintenance requirement and milk requirement. The types of food fed to the cattle are roughage with high fiber and concentrates to supply high protein. Both need to be fed in a balanced ratio as food play a crucial role in promoting health and in milk output. Usually, diseased animal can be identified with its posture. They get disease because of external parasites and also due to the internal parasites such as worms and flukes. Timely vaccination prevent them from all infectious diseases caused by virus and bacteria. The best way to get a productive quality are hygienic housing method, timely vaccination, and a quality of food as a feed. The next we are going to look is poultry farming, raise of domestic fowl for egg production, chicken, and for meat. We have Asil, the indigenous breed, and exotic breed Leghorn is highly successful both as layers and broilers. This is a prime importance as egg is considered to be the wholesome food. For broilers, vitamin rich supplementary feed is required to maintain feathery and carcass quality. Generally, fowls are categorized as broilers that are used for chicken and meat, and layers are bred only for producing egg. The maintenance includes maintenance of temperature, hygienic conditions of housing, good poultry feed, prevention and control of disease and pest. The ration of poultry includes protein rich with adequate fat and also the level of vitamin A and K are kept high. The precautions are proper poultry feed, proper vaccination of birds, prevention and control of disease and pests, isolation of diseased birds. That's very important. Maintenance of optimum temperature and hygienic conditions in housing. With all these precautions, we can get a very good result, a profit from the poultry farming. Thank you. In the next slide, let us learn about fish culture, that is epic fish. Thank you.